Welcome to today's crazy video, packed with action that will have you falling out of your seat. You might also see some of these drivers flying out of their seat, so stay tuned and take lessons from this video on exactly how not to drive. Watch as a car attempts to make a turn while there is oncoming traffic. It ends just the way you expect it to.
Football is football, get that straight. Well, that's a nice thing.
Current loop video is now locked.
And then the parts of it you don't want so much, just wait behind. Exactly. Let's talk a little bit about sailing. I last had you and me on the podcast.
An impatient BMW is a very common type of driver. However, this one got served with instant karma when trying to swerve in and out of traffic. Watch as this tree saves 3 pedestrians and a dog in Poland. The driver was speeding down a residential street and lost control, nearly costing the lives of others. This car must have either fallen asleep or was on his phone, which led to this. Reckless lane change plus a rushed and high-speed turn led to this guy meeting with the trees.
What the fuck are you doing? Very nice. What happened?
At the light, turn left to move onto I-80 West.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Amazing moment of instant karma on an attempted hit and run. You have to be extremely unlucky for this to happen right in front of an undercover cop.
Oh! Yo, the second accident
I got it on Dashcam! I got it on Dashcam!
And then focus on got left there! Bro, are you kidding? Wait, can you pull up? I want to know.
Impact detected. Connecting to the...
No idea what the white truck was doing, and unfortunately this was unavoidable for the blue truck. Here we get to see a before and after of a red car speeding like a crazy man, swerving in and out of traffic. Luckily, he wasn't harmed. A clear attempted insurance scam fail.
I think it confirms anything, but we've been hearing
This pickup truck mistimed his turn. A 10-second wait would have been too much for him. Another speeding, swerving professional which gets taught a lesson. This woman ran a stop sign, took no accountability, said it wasn't her fault, and then drove off doing a hit and run.
Ran a stop sign. No. No. What are you doing, man?
This man decided to drive off without paying, but didn't check his surroundings as the cops were right behind him and he got served with instant karma. When being entitled, trying to squeeze into traffic because you don't want to wait an extra 5 seconds ends with instant karma. Doing all that just to be stuck at the same red light as everyone else is extremely embarrassing. This man forgot to pull his car and parked, but fortunately had great reaction time and saved the vehicle.
And now that we're the right way up and this thing's not sticking out the wall, can I just sort of gently push/roll it into a bump of acid where it will gradually... Yeah, alright, yeah, fine. Yeah, it's slowly like, it's already starting to feed it into this thing and... Yeah, but problem solved. I would like you to make me some sort of